and then win. I won't stop till the end, no.
Hello, what's up guys? It's me WHYnotBrix. In this video, I'm going to show you how to lower your Windows process in easy steps. If you are new to my channel, subscribe and click the notification bell so that you're always updated. Let's get started. Press the Win key and R key to open Run. Type REGEDIT into Run and click tap on OK to open Registry Editor. Copy this to Registry Editor. Navigate to the key below in the left pane of Registry Editor.
Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do. And when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone.
In third step, in the right pane of the Control key, double click on the SVCSplitThreshold in KB word to modify it. The default is 380,000 and then 4GB is 400,000, 6GB 600,000, 8GB 800,000, GB is C0000. I use 16GB 1 million. Copy and paste to value data. Done. Let's check the process and then you can restart your PC. Then after that you can see the result. Guys, you can comment and leave a like. I hope you like this video and share it with your friends who have struggled with lagging PCs. These steps must help your friend's problem on lagging PC. And thanks for watching, bro.
We're talking about nothing. Then you said something under your breath. I can't take it, I know what you're thinking. I wish I could fix this, yeah. If there's something that you need to say, I